Hello, friends. At the outset, I wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2022. I am here to discuss about the amendment classes. So, as you would have seen in the last 2 years, the kind of paper which is coming in direct taxation is quite ticklish, technical, and they're asking the deep concepts about the topics. So you cannot simply attempt the question just by reading the law. I mean, you have to have the practical implementation, practical knowledge of the law. So I know most of you will be waiting for your results. The results are around the corner. I wish you all the best for your results. So regarding the amendments, by the Finance Act 2021, there have been lot many amendments this time. The amendments are basically in the chapter of assessments, reassessments, income escaping assessments. The whole law has been changed. Section 147 to 153 have been replaced by new sections. Assessment in case of search and seizure, survey, everything has changed drastically. The old law has totally been demolished. Besides, we have far-reaching changes, amendments, coming in the chapter of TDS, TCS. The government has come out with a lot of clarifications on the linkages of various sections introduced by the Finance Act 20 and Finance Act 21. In my regular classes, I took one full lecture in explaining the linkages in the chapter of TDS, TCS on the basis of the clarifications issued by the government this time. Also, there have been a lot of changes as far as slum sale is concerned. The entire law has been changed. Dissolution, reconstitution of firm. Again, the law has been changed like anything. And it took me around 2.5 hours in regular classes to explain the new law on dissolution. Yes, we also have changes in the chapter of charitable trust. The advance ruling law has been totally revamped, changed. New law relating to tulips, a lot many changes have come this time by the Finance Act 21. In fact, I have never taught in studio. I always teach to the students. And this time also we started the amendment classes on 21st of January with 40 students. And the first two classes, I was dealing with the changes in 147, 148 and all those sections. And after two classes, students were very uncomfortable. They said, "Sir, we are not able to relate the old law and the new law. It's better that we are taught this afresh." I said, "Not possible to teach afresh." But we all worked out a solution. From the regular batch, which I just concluded on the basis of May 21, the topics which have undergone the change, assessments, reassessments, search and seizure, charitable trust, TDS, TCS, dissolution of firm, advance ruling. So the regular lectures which I have taught in the regular batch, I'll be providing those lectures to you. So the benefit will be that you will be also revising those that topic, as well as the amendment is incorporated. Further, the questions which came in the past 30 years, they have all undergone a change because of these changes. So again, doing the amendment and not doing the questions will be unfair on my part. So what we are doing this time is around 19 lectures from the regular batch I am taking out and providing to you. So these 19 lectures will be covering in-depth assessments, reassessments, search and seizure, survey, the entire law. TDS, TCS, the entire law. Charitable trust, again the entire law. Advance ruling, again the entire law. The new law on dissolution of firm, the government has come out with clarifications and 3 examples running into around 10 pages. So all those things cannot be taught on the face of it that do this. That's not fair on my part and your part. So friends, this time We will not be providing the classes on the YouTube because they are part of the classes of amendments are part of the regular lectures. These classes will be provided to you, and you can register for those classes on the website. The website vinodguptaclasses.com or vglearningdestination.com, and there will be a nominal cost to you for the cost of the classes. Plus the study material will also be provided to you, and will also provide the MCQs. I have updated the MCQs, incorporated around 30 case studies in that MCQs that will also be provided to you. So friends, this time we are changing the mode of doing the amendments because it's not possible to do the amendments alone. You will be thoroughly confused. I hope you understand the situation. And as I said, you can make the booking of these classes on the website. The booking opens on 31st January. And the dispatch of study material will start on 4th of February. So this study material will be containing the entire chapter. For example, assessments, reassessments, the entire chapter will be there. Charitable trust, the entire chapter will be there. Of course, followed by the question answers in the last 30 years, duly solved as per Finance Act 2021. So my advice to you is that please go through these 19 classes and do not wait for your result to start the classes. Even if you have not, the results have not been declared, start the classes, because these classes will be beneficial for you even if you pass the exam. Because in the interviews will be appearing, they'll be asking about the Finance Act 21. And of course, with the expert knowledge you'll be getting, you will not be able to not answer any question in the interview. You'll be able to answer all the questions. And even if you are not lucky to pass the exam, these will help you to update the syllabus. And believe me, I believe this time so much changes have come that around the 19 classes I'm providing to you, out of that, around 40 to 50 marks paper should come. So with that, I wish you all the best and success for your results and of course the upcoming examination. Thank you very much.